Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making a shoulder bag again. I made this once already on my channel, but I got faux leather, so I wanted to try to make it out of that, just to make it a little bit more legit. So to start out, I cut out all of my patterns and then I ironed the interfacing on the pieces that needed it. Also, if you're going to be working with leather as me, be careful and make sure that you're ironing the interfacing on a very low setting, because the leather could melt. I myself didn't have any trouble with that though. Last time I was making the bag, it didn't come out quite as symmetric as I would like. So when I was making it now, I decided to start to sew the pieces together from the middle. So for this project, you're really only gonna need that middle bottom notch. Since I was working with faux leather now, it was quite more difficult to work with, so I made a little cuts on the curved corners of the back body. That made the shaping of the corners much more easier. When I connected the leather pieces, I then did the same with the lining. And to ensure the symmetry, always start to sew from the bottom middle notch. Sewing one side and then going from the middle again the other side. When it was done, I cut the seam allowance shorter, and yeah, this is what it looked like. I cut off the excess fabric at the top, and then with the lining back turned the wrong sides out, I basically just put it inside of the shell like that. That way, the wrong sides of each are facing each other inside of the bag. Then I connected the middle notches of these two and I pinned them together, sewing all over the top. cut off the excess fabric and I applied the bias tape. When that was done, it was time to create the little tabs for the rings. And so I cut out this little rectangle and I basically just folded it on itself a couple times and sewed on both edges to create a little strap. And then I just cut it in half and I put every little strap through one ring. Then I secured the tabs at the side of the back, like this. And then I pinned the zipper to the back. First I turned the back the wrong sides out, and then I turned the zipper face down so that the face of it was turned into the inside of the back. And that way I pinned it all around, and since the layers were too thick, I did this by hand. If your zipper is a bit too long too, then you can just cut the rest off, or you can stick it inside of the bag or just leave it like it is. Last thing I made was a strap. I pulled both ends through the rings and I secured it, and it was done. I have to say that it was way harder to create the second time, probably because of the faux leather. And even though I was making the pattern in Illustrator, for some reason, which I couldn't figure out, it just wasn't fitting quite well, and I'm not sure if it was because I was actually ironing the interfacing on the pieces, so they might have stretched, so the measurement changed. But yes, I'm gonna fix the pattern and then I will be putting it up for people to download, probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But yeah, if you like this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!